How can you generate hyper realistic AI photos with your smartphone for free? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm David Favor, and if you're watching this video right now, I'm sure you must have seen everywhere AI photos, AI photos. And you're probably wondering, how can I do this for free? How can I get these photos for myself for free? Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know in this free video on YouTube. But before we go ahead, I want you to take the next 30 seconds and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So just click the subscribe button, and that is it. Also, you can go ahead to put on the notification button by just clicking the bell, so that anytime I update a video like this, you'll be the first person to know about the video and you watch it for free. All right, so let's go ahead. So before I go ahead, I want to talk about this app. This app is called Remini, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get the app on your smartphone. All right, so this app needs a fast connection. So when your network is slow, the app is kind of slow, or the images do not load well. All right, so please, before trying to generate AI photos, make sure that you're in an area that the network is, or the internet is faster. Well, in those of us who are in Cameroon, you might have slow internet connections, but just figure out a place where internet is faster. And maybe in the middle of the night, internet is faster, then you could wait there and generate your AI photos without any problem. But wherever you are, you know which time your network is fastest. So the best time to generate AI photos is when network is fasted, or when connection is fasted. Alright, so please, let's go ahead. Now, when you open the app, this is how it looks like, and if you can look at my screen, you see baby me. So that's what AI is. I said that this is what I look like when I was around 6 or 5 years old. Well, I don't know. I don't have a picture of when I was by that age. So let's go ahead generating AI photos. Now, when you're on the app, if it's your first time, you're going to get something like this. You click on generate photos. Now, it's not my first time using the app, so I already, like, for instance, those baby me I just generated and using the app right now. So if it's not your first time, if it's your first time generating the app, you're going to see something different. I'll show you. But if it's your second time and you want to generate another AI photos, it brings you here. You just click on settings here and click on retrain AI. All right, so if it's your first time, you're going to see, when you click on generate AI, this is going to pop up. So you are going to choose if you're a woman, female, male, or you're an animal, other, or whatever you're trying to identify yourself as. Please, I'm not here to talk about that. So let's say you choose I'm a male, so I'm going to go male. So I choose male. So I click on continue. When I choose male and click on continue, they show me this. They say, let's set up your AI profile. Show us how you look like. So they want to know how I look like. So I click on, you need to upload 8 selfies. This should be clean selfies of you, please. On you, don't, not many people, because AI collects data from these 8 selfies and try to work out to bring out a perfect match of who you are. So please upload selfies of you, not you and your friends. So when you click on upload selfies, it's going to give this. You say select the right photos, only you, close-ups, face not covered. So those are just some conditions for you to choose. Anyway, so I have 8 photos already ready here. So this is me, maybe, I don't know, should be 3 or 4, I don't know, years ago. So I just decided to use them here. All right, so let's click on continue. You're going to see your AI profile is complete. Go on to generate your first AI. Continue. All right, so it's going to pop up with the which model I want to choose. All right, as I said, if your network is slow, this might not show up. So if it does not show up, please close it and restart back. So I'm going to select anyone that I want to use here. There are many, and they keep updating. Anyway, so let's say I choose, or what should I choose? This is good. Let me see. I choose. I'm a black guy, so let me choose. Let me choose this. No, it's too big for me. No, that's too big for me. You see, since my network is not loading, others are not loading. Let me just choose this baby. All right, so you can choose anyone. You can choose any person there. So I use this model. I try to use. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. If your connection is slow, this is what's going to happen. This one they can't load because your connection is slow. So I'm sorry about that. Now let's go. As I said, let me choose this baby. Oh, who should I take? I don't see any cute black guy, so I'll go with the baby. If your connection is fast, all of them could load. You see, they're trying to load. The problem is with my network connection. So let's go with the baby. So let's use this. If I go to baby, use this model image, and I click on use, it's going to upload my 8 photos. So this takes a while, especially when it's your first time. It can take like 6 minutes or 5 minutes. So it could take a long. Network is not on my side, please. Network is bad. So as I say, this thing needs network connection to work well. Let's just hope. Oh God. So my network is kind of messing me up. So please, let's hope it goes. Alright, it's can. So when you upload, you start working on it. See, it can take like 6 minutes. So I'm not going to wait around and wait for 6 minutes to elapse. So I'm going to pause the video and start back when 6 minutes is done. Alright, so just stay close. Alright, loaded. So now the space I could not keep you waiting on a long video for 6 minutes for it to load. So that's why I had to cut the video, link 2 videos. I just hope you catch up. But nothing happened in between. It's just the loading period. After it has loaded, it shows like this. So now this is where they show you how to save a picture or how to delete an AI generated picture. So according to AI, and this, they have generated this of me. Alright, let's go ahead. So now to save, this is how you save AI photos after you generate it on this app. You slide right. If you want to save, you slide right. If you want to delete it, you slide left. So just click on got it. See, got it. So this is cute. It looks like me when I was, I don't know. But now for me to save, I just slide right and it saved to my phone. Wow. For me to delete, I just slide left. But I'm not deleting any of this. Alright. Oh no, I'm deleting this. This is definitely not me. This is definitely not me. Yes, I don't like it. Alright. This looks cute. It looks cute. It could be me. Nah, bro, I've never had hair as long as this. Alright. Oh, this is cute me. I think this is me. Alright, so I'm saved. So it's saved. So you can choose to generate more and they can suggest a video. If you love the video, just click on save. But I don't like the video, click no thanks. Alright, that's it. So I just generated an AI photo of me using the app for free. Alright, so how do you get the app? To get the app, go to your Play Store. Let's quickly go to Play Store. Search on Remini. Here's the app. And then here's how the app looks like. Remini. Please, here's it. Don't download something else. Network, please be on my side. Don't install something else. Network, please. But here's how the app looks like. When you search on your Play Store, here's it. I can just click open because I already have the app in my phone. I don't have to install it again. But for someone who doesn't have it, this is how you install it. So now, the next thing I'm going to be showing you is how to get the free period or as I said, it's a subscription app. You don't get it for free. You don't get it totally for free. So you have to pay subscription every week or every month. But I'm going to be showing you how to get a free period of 1 week. So how do you get a free period of 1 week? Here's it. Now take a minute. So how do you get this app for free? Alright. So before I go ahead, please, if you don't have a free version of the app, where you see this web up here at the top bottom here, you are going to be getting something there like Pro. Yeah, Pro is going to be showing there. This web is showing here because I already have the premium version. Alright, so if you see Pro on your top of your screen after installing the app, click on the Pro. When you click on the Pro, something is going to pop up like this. But now you see a button asking you to get the start your trial. Click on start your trial. When you click on start your trial, it's going to lead you to your Play Store. Alright, as I said, you must have a premium app. You must have the premium version to use this app, especially when I talk about generating those AI. So now you must use the premium version. To do this, let me take this back so that you get understand, please. I'm explaining this because I cannot. This is advanced technology. I cannot, even if I delay the app and install it, I'll keep on seeing web here, except I use a different phone, which for now I don't have. So if you're already here, click on web here. What you're going to be seeing yours, since it's free, is Pro. So you click on Pro, on the Pro at the top of the corner. As I said, this is going to pop up. You are going to see continue like this. They'll show you two. They'll show you light and Pro. So you choose the light. In the light, you are going to see a button telling you to start your free trial. Your free trial is 1 week. So in 1 week, you'll be able to generate AI photos for free. After that, you can resubscribe if you wish, or you can cancel your subscription. Now, this is what you do. You click on, please don't forget this. Click on start your free trial. When you click on start your free trial, it's going to tell you to continue. So you click on continue. It's going to lead you to your Play Store. So a pop-up is going to pop up like this. All right. So now, if you don't have a payment detail on your Play Store, you just click on whatever post on and go to continue. Then they'll ask you to add a card. So you go to add a card. When you go to add a card, since I already have a card on my Play Store, I will not be adding a card. So we can click on add a card. They're going to ask you to add a card here. So the first you have to add is your card number. For those of you who have UBA bank cards, you go ahead to add your bank. Don't worry, they are not going to create anything from your bank. If you are scared, withdraw any money from your bank account before even depositing, before even adding the bank card to your Play Store. All right, so if you have a bank card, you just go ahead and write down your bank card here. So whatever, I'm not going to write my bank card here. Of course, someone could go and use my bank card to subscribe. So when you write your bank card, you save it. They're going to ask for your name, and then they'll ask for the CVC, all of that. For those of you who have bank card, you can go ahead. So once you are done, you just click on save. When you click on save, it will be done. When it will be done, now you can go now back. You just click for anything that pops on, click on done, and then you go back now. And then when you go back now to the app, you see this web is going to show up now. When the web show up in your app instead of the Pro, then it shows that you're using now the Pro version. Now after you subscribe, your free trial started, please follow the instruction. Go to manage subscription. Go to manage subscription. It's going to lead you back to your Play Store. Okay, this is what I was talking about when I was talking about the plans that it will show you. You see light and you see Pro and you see base and the rest. There are many of them. All right, so this is the free version. When you are not paying anything, but you cannot generate AI photos here. You cannot generate AI photos here. So what I was using was this, and when you go started, this will show. So this is what I was showing. I was telling you that you should click on start your free trial. I can no longer click on start your free trial because I already started my free trial. All right, but yours is not going to show like this. Your free trial is going to show. All right. Anyway, let's go back to manage subscription. What I want you to do is that you should go and cancel your subscription. Go, yes, cancel it. You just wanted the free trial. Even if you have your money, after 1 week you can pay $1.76. That's, I think in Cameroon that should be around 1,200 francs. So you'll be paying 1,200 francs every week. All right, 1,200 francs every week. But if you don't want to pay, you just click on continue, and then when it goes to subscription, you cancel it. Yep. I want to cancel. I want to unsubscribe. So you click on this. All right, please. I change. All right, go back. Click to unsubscribe. Go ahead. You see, I already canceled mine. All right. If you not cancel yours, it's going to show you that you're subscribed. Let me take for instance. Let me resubscribe back and show you. All right. Once I resubscribe, so it's going to show like this. When you come back here, click on cancel subscription. Yes. Just write any stupid reason. I don't need it anymore. So I don't use this service enough. So just click on continue and cancel it. Please cancel it so that after 1 week they're not going to debit your bank account. All right. So what if you don't have what if you don't have a bank card? What if you don't have a bank card to subscribe? So I'm going to be making a new video on how to create a virtual card that you can use for this app too. If you watch this and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, just on the notification and then screenshot your subscription or notification and send to me on WhatsApp. If you watch the video on WhatsApp, and then I'll send you the video on how to create a virtual card to use here. All right.